Folding sheet metal components. So Inventor allows us to fold the sheet metal components using the fold tool. So what we need first is we need to have a profile sketched out and where the bend line will be. So I'm going to finish this sketch, and now I'm going to come up into the face command and create this face. So I'll say OK. And now I'm able to go up into the fold command and create. When I click on fold, it will ask me for the bend line. So I'm going to come over here and select the bend line. And when I select the bend line, it'll have two green arrows. And those green arrows is one of them, the straight line, is in the direction of the portion of the sheet metal part that will be folded, and the curved one is in the direction of the fold. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can see they're right here. I can flip those. So I'm going to flip the direction of the curve, and you can see now that I have it going curved up right here. And so I can choose my flip directions, and I can flip the side. All right. Now, the fold direction is typically in the center line of the bend, but I could choose at the start of the bend or at the end of the bend. My fold angle is how much I'm going to bend it. So a lot of times we're at a 90-degree angle or 45. Let's go with a 45 here. And the bend radius is calculated based on our rules. So that's based on the default values in our style and standard editor of our bend radius. So I'm going to say OK, and boom, it went 45 degrees. And you can see how it automatically built in that relief area as well. And it also has the bend radius from our rules in there. So the fold command must have a line that goes across that we select as our bend line, and that line, both endpoints have to be on the edge of the sheet metal. That's critical. So the line has to go all the way across and has to touch each edge of the object by its endpoints.